Hey YouTube, welcome back to Her Home Is. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Now, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen, but today's video is going to be a little bit the same, but also something different. I am showing you a day in the life or a week in the life. You're going to get to see what all I did in this week combined here in this video. We're going to start setting up my kitchen for the fall. And you guys, if you follow me, you know I am doing a moody look throughout the villa for the fall. So my kitchen is going to be a moody fall kitchen. I'm going to be finishing off the pantry. I'm going to bring you probably 2 sponsored things inside of this video. A little bit of cleaning, decorating, and lifestyle also. So if you want to see all of this that we do got going on in this video, make sure you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. All right, family, we are getting ready to start this wall, and I am using my paper here. We're gonna start this wall here over. I'm gonna catch this so I can waste less. I was gonna start on that other end. Sometimes I do like to work from right to left. But when I'm in my flow, because I want to quickly get this done, I want to work left to right. Family, I probably should have started from the bottom coming up. I will tell you, on most of your projects, start at the bottom and work your way up. So if you have any imperfections in your wall, you can keep your edge straight. I have this loose. I'm gonna catch it back up. You guys, that is looking gorgeous already. Family. As you can see, we are here in the kitchen and we are finna clean. I have started this. I did go ahead and take down the other curtains there, poured out my pumpkins, and we are just rearranging my home for the fall. And you guys, make sure you check out the video with this paint sprayer here. I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna love it if you're doing any type of painting projects. But this is what the space is looking like. I'm getting ready to do the dishes. We're gonna take out trash. This is my recycles here, but we're finna clean up the space and I want you guys to come along with me.